Hello everyone and welcome to this new Nalios tutorial. So today we're gonna look at the appointments app and see how we can create a different type of appointments, how people can make appointments from the website, and how we can ask them some questions to learn to know them better before an appointment. So when we go to the appointment app, we can create a new type of appointments. We can choose, depending on our business, what type of appointment we want. So for example, today we're going to choose a meeting. Once we have our meeting, we can rename him. We can choose like different settings, for example, the duration where it will happen, the link if it's a video meeting, the users who can book it, the capacities. So for example, if we can have like two meetings happening at the same time, we can allow two simultaneous appointments. In the availabilities tab, we can select the schedule in which we want the appointments to be made. We can select some communication. For example, we can send reminders and we can create these reminders in the configuration reminders. So these are like message, for example, the email. You have an email template. So yeah, we were sorry. Yep, configure. Okay, so for the communication, we can also set an introduction page that our customer will see before booking the meeting, or a confirmation page that he will see after. We have some options that depends on what you want to do, and the functionality I want to present here is that the questions functionality. So this allows you to ask a certain question to your customer while booking the meeting to learn to know him better. So for example, if you want to be sure that the meeting is necessary, if you want to have some information to prepare the meeting and so on, you can always create new questions. So for example, here we want to ask what is your age. We can put this answer as mandatory or not. We can choose the kind of answer we want. So for example, is here we just want a single line text. For example, we can also ask where did you learn about us? And we can pre-select some answer, for example, friend, social media, or I don't know, for example, website. For example, I don't know, if you are a coach and you want to know if your customer already has an idea of what he wants to talk about, you can ask, do you already have an idea of the subject of the object, of our meeting? And we can ask multi-line text here, save and close. Okay, so now that we have set up our meeting with everything, we can see a preview. So that's how the customer will see it on our website. So for example, here, we're gonna go to May the 1st, and we're gonna choose the 2 p.m. appointment. We can put our name, our email, phone number, what is your age? We can say 25. Where did you learn about us? From the social media. I want to talk about how to do a new Odoo sorry, and you can confirm. So yeah, here is the view of our customer. You can always reschedule, cancel, and so on. And once that has been done, and you go back to your appointments app, here, you can see that we already have one appointment. So it's next week. And here you have all the information. You can always save and close. You can edit it if you want to remove or so on, because you see that the customer is not the kind of customer you want. And sorry. And yeah, that's it. So then you can share it either with a link or on your website. That's your decision. Here you go. I hope you liked this tutorial, and we'll see you in another one.